How's it going, you guys? It's your boy Sean. I'm back with another episode. I feel like I was really close to the camera. I really don't know because I'm using my phone. But today we're gonna be installing some Acuity shifters, Bushings shifters, because the OEM ones suck ass. So yeah, hopefully this video doesn't take too long, and hopefully this install doesn't take too long either, and hopefully it's not too hard, which shouldn't be because it's just bushings. Yeah, so let's get this shit started. Alright, so pretty much the first thing you should do is remove this airbox, and it shouldn't be that hard to remove. Just you gotta take this off, and you gotta unbolt it from right here. The clamps, you gotta unbolt the clamps, take off the sensor, and then there's gonna be one 10mm socket that you use to get this bolt right here. And
Six and a half hours later.
alright guys, so I got the airbox out. This shit was a pain in the ass to take off. I don't know why, but that shit was a pain in the ass. So what we're gonna get to now is this and that. Get this bitch started, man. Alright, sorry guys, I wasn't recording what I just did, but pretty much those two cables gonna have these in it, and you just want to take these out and you know, keep them as your souvenir or some shit. I don't know, do whatever you want to do with it. Alright, so what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I'm watching a video to help me install this because I really don't know exactly what to do. I'm getting there. I just got to take the bushings out of the cable, and it's acting like an ass right now. So yeah, enjoy this. Yo, this thing is annoying, but why are you here? You don't even slide off. Oh. There was one. Maybe it wasn't. Ugh. Look at that. Ew. What the keeping that bushing as a souvenir. I did it. I don't know why I'm so loud, but oh shit, sorry guys, but it's in. It's in. Definitely in. Looks nice in the engine bay. Just need a quarter intake now. Looks real nice and engine bay. Sorry for the stiff movement. It's on the tripod right now. My phone. Oh man. Now it's time to put everything back. You guys don't need to see this. You guys are gonna see me test driving and tell you guys how I feel. Alright, so why am I yelling? Okay. Alright, so the bushings are installed. They feel wonderful from like, you know, not driving. Feel nice. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Feel nice. Reverse. Feels nice. I don't know why I keep saying feels nice. It's hot in here, so I'm putting the windows down a little bit. I need more light, so I'm gonna open this sunroof up. Actually, nah, I'm not gonna open it up. I'm gonna crack it open just a tiny bit. And we're gonna go for a small drive. What if my car's too loud and put my windows up a little bit? But yeah, this shit feel nice, bro. Everything feel nice, bro. Yeah, it feel nice. It do feel so good. Yeah, I think it feels pretty nice, pretty sturdy. Ain't really nothing to worry about here. Cause this right here is my bushings. All the girls are on me. I am. Everybody pay attention. Alright, I was gonna drive like other places and drive fast and stuff, but I don't know what's going on around here. There's too many freaking cops. I already had 2 tickets before I got this car, and I don't need any more. So I'm just gonna back it up, go inside, edit this video, play some games, get some gas later on, and that's it. So if you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, comment down below, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm out. Your boy Sean gone. He out his guard. This SI's video's done. Peace. I'm out. Boop 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 boop.
I do this shit on a daily. Hey, jump in this bitch and go crazy. Ooh, jump in this bitch and go crazy. Ooh.